Let's take a look at Surface Extrusion, Revolve, and Planer. Those features create surface bodies, which are similar to solid bodies, except surface bodies have zero thickness. And since they have zero thickness, you can also see those as reference planes. To get started, we'll come up here to the top and reveal our Surfaces tab. In our Surfaces tab, we'll launch our extruded surface and choose our reference plane we want to use. This process will look very similar to when you create a solid extrusion. You'll create a profile, exit your sketch, and you'll be prompted with the properties for the surface extrusion. These properties will look very similar, again, to solid extrusions, with one noticeable option. If I come back into the surface extrusion feature, there's an option here to cap end. If I do so, it's going to create a surface that caps the end of my cylinder and also knit it together so I have one surface body. The other feature that we'll talk about is a revolved surface. I'll come over here to create a revolved surface like I would do with a solid revolve, create my geometry, and I'll also come over and create a center line. Next, I'll come over to the surfaces, choose revolved surface. Make sure that the center line is the axis of revolution and all the other properties are the same as a solid revolve. To check, I can see that I have a surface body. And finally, let's take a look at the Surface Planer tool. The planar surface is a tool that allows you to select bounding entities like this edge and tell SOLIDWORKS to automatically create a cap for it. And with that tool, now I have two surface bodies, the revolve and the cap end.